Any wood pieces, I keep. And I done learned by doing that. Hell, we got firewood. Them little end pieces of the 2x4s, shit, that keep a nigga warm. Huh? I'm not taking none of that to the dump. And that's what I learned from you. Keep all your material. Don't throw none of your material away. So by doing that, I can make all kind of different little dog houses, bird houses, cat houses. You know?
You're surprised what you can do with it.
That's my pop, y'all. I got my pop in this mother. Yeah. That's my pop. What it is. He used to look like this when he was younger. I'm gonna look like that when I get older, but a little bit chunkier. Nugger.